Launched in January 2022 after a successful initial decentralized exchange offering, Hubble is a decentralized finance protocol that gives users access to zero-interest borrowing on Solana. Alongside the successful mainnet launch, Hubble's HBB staking and governance token recently secured listings on the KuCoin and Huobi centralized exchanges. Users interact with Hubble's DeFi products through the issuance of the Solana-based USDH native stablecoin. According to Hubble, USDH is backed at least 150% by a basket of decentralized crypto assets including SOL, BTC, ETH, Ray, SRM, and FTT. There is currently over $30.58 million in total value locked, with a 23.26% loan-to-value ratio. From the date of the token generation event, tokens were dropped to participants over a 3-month vesting period. Private investors received a 50% discount on the price of HBB with a welcome 18-month vesting period, while pre-seed and seed sales were discounted further. Vesting periods are a common practice to avoid token dumping by early-stage investors, though less common in a public sale. This Hubble coin price prediction video looks into the key facts of the project. What is Hubble looking like as an investment opportunity? Can we determine a Hubble price prediction for 2022 and beyond? Let's find out. Trading at 33 cents, as of June 28, 1640 British Summer Time, the total supply of HBB is capped at 100 million, of which 12,175,780 million are in circulation. Market capitalization is currently at $3.98 million. A recent 24-hour trading volume figure of $267,542 million amounted to 6.7% of market cap. In terms of borrowing on the platform, users require a 110% collateral ratio. For every $100 of USDH minted, Hubble will retain $110 of your crypto asset. Users can earn yield on their collateralized assets. A one-off fee of 0.5% is paid for every loan issued. Users can provide liquidity to the stability pool by staking HBB, with 85% of protocol fees reserved for staking rewards. Should the stability pool become illiquid, funds will be debited from user accounts. Hubble also intends to implement a governance system for HBB holders for the administration of the project. Further details are pending. In addition to IDO fundraising, Hubble secured $13.6 million in venture capital investment over 2 rounds. According to the Crunchbase page, Crypto.com led the funding rounds. Additional investors included 3 Arrows Capital, Jump Capital, Delphi Digital, and Spartan. After HBB's late January launch, the token saw a brief bull run, culminating in a high of $2.34 on February 1, 2022. Since then, HBB has been trending downwards. February closed at 79 cents, with Hubble having lost 66% of its value. By March 14, 2022, HBB was trading at 40 cents, having lost nearly 50% of its value over 2 weeks. Can it recover? Perhaps the HBB price prediction coverage can clue us in. HBB saw a massive spike in value between the 19th and the 20th of April 2022, as the token shot up from $0.469 to $1.89 in a day. The trigger for such a steep bull run was unclear, though possibly due to a large cap investor's buying frenzy. The token has downtrended since and stands at $0.328 as of June 28. Hubble price prediction targets at priceprediction.net outline a $1.33 price target for 2022, heading up to $4.22 by 2025. Over a longer period, the forecaster's Hubble price prediction for 2030 is $27.09. The $1 barrier will not be breached until 2028, according to Digital Coin Price. Its considerably more conservative Hubble coin price prediction suggests a price target of $1.50 for 2030. Digital Coin Price uses 26 metrics to make its HBB price prediction, 12 of which suggest selling, with only 2 pointing to a buy strategy, while 12 metrics remain neutral. According to Crypto Prediction's Hubble price prediction, the token could hit the $1 price point in August 2026. In the shorter term, HBB is likely to stay below the 50 cents barrier throughout most of 2022. Coin arbitrage bot's Hubble price prediction for 2025 is currently $5.05, representing 15.7 times gains. Hubble's mainnet launch was successful, as was the token generation event. Even though the biggest centralized exchanges do not support HBB, listings on KuCoin and Huobi have been secured. DEX listings are also yet to be confirmed. A request for details on Hubble's Telegram page yielded the following response: "We are still in the process of working out the best DX and CX options for HBB and the community. Please stay tuned for announcements coming soon." The team is still largely private, barring project lead Marius Subbateriu and cited co-founder Marius Thomas. No details could be found on the latter, but Currency has requested further information. Subbateriu worked as a software developer for Bloomberg in London. Although many legitimate projects choose to remain anonymous, transparency always helps to increase investor confidence. Monthly community reports are released, while the organization has secured 3 separate security audits, with one other in progress. Remember that this video is a neutral informational resource. It is up to you to determine the project's prospects through independent analysis. Hubble's community engagement is high, and documentation is readily available for potential investors to scrutinize. Despite a recent slump, the DeFi marketplace is a growing one. Should Hubble manage to carve out a niche for itself, there is plenty of potential for growth. That said, there are always risks with investing in an early-stage project.